Hello, today we will guide you through how to compress PDF in iLovePDF. To get started, open the Workspace page in your browser. This is where you'll access the file tools needed for the compression process. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace area so you can follow along without interruption. At the top of the page, click on Compress. This will open the compression tool, which is designed to reduce the size of your PDF file. Compressing a PDF can be helpful when you need to make a file easier to upload, share, or store, especially if the original file is too large for email attachments or online forms. After that, click on Upload New Files. This option lets you bring a PDF in directly from your device so it can be compressed. If your file is stored locally and you know exactly where it is, this is usually the quickest path. When the file picker opens, simply browse to your PDF and prepare it for upload. If you prefer, you can also click on Choose from recent files instead. This is a convenient option when the document you want to compress was already used recently in the workspace. It can save time and help you avoid searching through folders again, especially if you're working with several PDF files in the same session. Next, select the sample file. In your own workflow, this will be the PDF you want to compress. Make sure you choose the correct document before moving on, particularly if you're handling multiple files with similar names. A quick check here can prevent mistakes later. Once the file is selected, click on Compress File. At this point, the platform will begin processing your PDF. Follow the on-screen procedure to complete the compression. Depending on the file size and your connection speed, this may take a few moments. During this stage, it's best to wait for the process to finish fully before closing the tab or navigating away. When the compression is complete, you'll be able to continue with whatever option appears on screen, such as reviewing or downloading the result. If needed, you can repeat the same process for additional files. That's all it takes to compress a PDF using this workflow. Follow these steps carefully, and you should have a smaller, more manageable PDF in just a few clicks.